In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a poster in Canva. Whether you're promoting an event, creating a classroom visual, or designing art for your wall, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. First, open Canva and search for poster. You'll see a range of options you can filter by style, color, or theme. If you already know the size you need, you can also click Create a Design and choose a poster size that matches your purpose. Starting with the right dimensions helps your layout look balanced and avoids resizing issues later. From here, pick a template that's close to your vision, or choose a blank page if you want full creative control. Let's add your content. For text, click Text to insert headings and body copy. Adjust the font, size, color, and spacing until your hierarchy feels clear. A simple rule that always works: stick to 3 fonts or fewer, typically 1 for headings, 1 for subheadings, and 1 for body text. That keeps your design clean and readable. Consider contrast as you choose colors, so important information stands out at a glance. For images and graphics, head to the Elements tab to find shapes, lines, icons, and illustrations, or upload your own photos. Drag and drop items onto the canvas, then resize and rotate them as needed. Aim for consistency in style. Mixing too many illustration styles or photo filters can make a poster feel busy. High-quality images make a big difference, so choose the sharpest versions you have. For the background, you can change the color to match your palette, or explore free images via the Apps section, such as Pexels. Keep backgrounds subtle if you have a lot of text. If your text sits on an image, make sure there's enough contrast for easy reading. Now refine the layout. Use drag and drop to move elements into place. The position tool helps layer items, bring elements forward or backward, and align everything neatly. If your text is hard to read, place a shape behind it like a rectangle or circle and lower the transparency so the design breathes while staying legible. Leave comfortable margins on all sides so nothing looks cramped. When you're happy with the design, click Share in the top right and choose Download. Select PNG for web or digital sharing, or choose PDF print for high-quality printing. Click Download to save your poster to your device, and you're ready to share or print. Thanks for watching.